Hi, this is Joshua Wong again. On my previous how-to videos, I show you guys how you can fix your slow water flow washing machines. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can fix slow water flow on your water faucet or some call it water tap. The fix are very simple and you won't believe that there's actually a filter that you need to do maintenance frequently. So I'll be showing you guys right now. This is the current water flow. It's tiny and slow. You can actually remove tips of the faucet here by twist open. It will take some strength to open it up as the tips may harden due to iron build-up. Once you open, you will notice a lot of debris in the filter. Now, clean the filters and put back the tips. This applies to almost all household faucets. So what do you think about the tips I shared with you guys? To give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos, and thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.